this is my quick basic makeup tutorial. Hope you enjoy watching. So I already did my moisturizer, and right now I'm gonna apply some primer. It's the Maybelline primer. So we're gonna go in with our primer, and then we just apply all over the face. You have to start with the primer before you apply your foundation. So I'm gonna blend it in all the way, and then next I'm gonna take my spoolie and just comb my eyebrows into shape. Then I'll take my eyebrow pencil, my black eyebrow pencil, and it's the Davis 001. So I'm gonna start drawing my eyebrows. After drawing my eyebrows with a black pencil, I usually go in with a brown eyebrow pencil just to shade it in. At the front I do some up strokes just to make it look natural. Next I take my spoolie and brush it into shape, and then I go in with my concealer just to conceal and make it pop. After that I go in with my brush and brush off the excess concealer just to blend it with the rest of the face. Then again I'll take the concealer and cover up the blemishes on my skin, and then I apply the foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. It's the shade Caramel number 360. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation. This foundation matches my skin tone, and it's a full coverage foundation, that's why I like it. So I'll just blend it in on my skin. Next I'll go in with a darker shade concealer for contouring my skin, and then I'll apply it on the areas that I want it contoured. Then again I'll go in with a brighter concealer for contouring the areas around the nose and under my eyes. Now it's time to play with some eyeshadow on my eyebrows. I started with some brown eyeshadow, and then I applied some concealer, and then applied a shimmery shade of eyeshadow. It's a red color, but it's a shimmery shade. And then I would apply a red eyeshadow. wow, I look amazing, guys. I was just feeling the look. Then I'll put on some powder, and still on the Maybelline powder. I like Maybelline products, like they're the best products that matches my skin. Then I'll go in with some Huda liquid. I like red. Red is my favorite color, so I'm gonna apply some red lippy, and then I'll put on an ombre pink color. So this is the end, guys. Then I put on a wig and took some photos. Bye bye.